Kellen, are any questions that have come in as we've been working through some of the things to list your house and also top recommendations?
Yes, there has, and no surprise from our clients, very strategic with taxes.
Okay.
So they're thinking ahead of some capital
Yeah.
gains here. So do you pay capital gains when you sell your home, your first home, particularly if you have a tear down and rebuild? And maybe we could touch on capital gains as a whole, but this one is catered towards tear down and rebuild.
Let's just talk capital gains in general, because I think it's really important today because values have appreciated so much. So first thing to remember is if you're filing a single tax return, you get a $250,000 capital gain exclusion on the sale of your home. And then if you are married filing jointly, you get a $500,000 exclusion for capital gains in terms of the sale of your home. Remember, that whole list that Mary Stewart just went through. Obviously, like paint, you probably can't use that to increase your cost basis, but a new air conditioning or new pavers, those kind of things are capital improvements. That all that pushes your cost basis higher, which can actually reduce some of the capital gains. So the specific question on the tear down, you'd have to look at, all right, well, what did you pay for the property originally? Maybe they did some improvements for the old home, then tear down, and then the rebuild. Obviously, any costs that go into the rebuild, all that's going to be increasing the cost basis. So keep a meticulous records for that. And then in the future, when they sell it, if they're married filing jointly on the tax return, that's going to have a $500,000 capital gain exclusion.